Whoa, buddy. There I am. Deep thought. Thinking about what sticker I should make next for sunroof. But then it's like the idea just hit me in the head. Came out of nowhere. So that's it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a squid for the next Sunroof Underwater Society sticker. Oh no, here comes Carl eating all the merchandise. So first step to creating a sticker is you got to have a design. I like to do all my designs on Procreate. So I have an iPad and a Apple Pencil. So I'm going to open up Procreate. And I like to use a lot of my old logos, some of the old dive hats I have, or squid. Like that squid is from a shirt design I have, and I just updated the legs, making it wrap around the dive hat. And once I get the sketch done, which I did in blue, then I go over with a heavy black ink and then shading. After that, I fill it in with a color for the squid. Once the squid is done, I touch up on the dive hat. And now I'm trying to decide what color would look best. I go with the yellow and like a tannish brown. After that, I decide where to put sunroof at. I do the bottom, and that should be about it for the logo. Can I eat a cactus? No. I need to go to Sticker Mule. Stickermule.com. So I usually go to Sticker Mule for all my stickers. This one is you go to custom stickers. I'm going to do die cut for this design. And then I'll do 3" by 3" circle. And go to 200 because the more stickers you get, the better deal. And now you upload your artwork. So whenever I was done with Procreate, I save the artwork as a PNG to files or to my camera roll, so it's easy to pull up and upload. And after that, you go to checkout. 2 weeks later, and you hear a knock on your door. You go down, get your stickers, and that's how they look now. They look pretty good. And these are a couple of the stickers I made in the past. That one and this one. It's a diver welding braces onto a shark. So now you got your stickers. You got to start advertising. So give it to the closest person to you. Tell them about it. And maybe they'll go off and tell their friends. And then you're really cool that they told their friends. You give them like a treat. After that, you go find another person, advertise, mainly like a place where a lot of people see it, so that's a good spot. Then you go into your art studio and you got to put it with all the collection of all the stickers that you made in the past. And then come on, Carl, advertise for me, Carl. Oh yeah, you advertise over there. God dang it, Carl. Don't get stuck, Carl. Come on. There you go. So that's about it for the stickers. And these are some of the shirts I made in the past. And also skateboards. Some of the boards are handmade. And a couple of the other ones are from distributions. And these are some of the shirts I have in stock. And here we are in the studio. This would be an update on the painting that I worked on in the last video. I added some more to it. I still have a few more days to go to finish that. But thanks for watching, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe.